Today's question is: what are simple household repairs and maintenance tasks? Keeping our home in good condition is important for the comfort, safety, and well-being of everyone living in it. One of the ways to achieve this is by performing simple household repairs and maintenance. By learning these basic skills, we can save money, ensure safety, and keep our home a pleasant place to live in. Simple repairs such as fixing a leaking faucet, replacing a busted light bulb, tightening a loose screw, or patching a small hole in the wall may seem small, but they can prevent bigger and more expensive problems later. Regular maintenance, like cleaning gutters, oiling door hinges, or checking electrical cords, helps in extending the life of household items and keeping them safe to use. To perform simple household repairs, we must be familiar with the basic tools and materials. Common tools include a hammer, screwdrivers, pliers, wrench, measuring tape, and utility knife. Materials may include nails, screws, sandpaper, glue, and replacement parts. Learning how to do simple household repairs and maintenance is a valuable life skill. It teaches responsibility, resourcefulness, and independence. Instead of relying on others for every small problem, we can fix them ourselves, saving time and money. It also gives us a sense of pride and accomplishment when we can keep our home in good shape.